Tree trimming in Louisville, Kansas. In Louisville, it doesn't take a storm for a tree to cause damage. Over time, branches stretch out over the roof, drop leaves into gutters, and hold moisture where it doesn't belong. We hear it all the time. I didn't think those branches were doing any harm until the roof started leaking. Overgrown trees can quietly cause expensive issues: clogged gutters, water backing up against the house, or roof shingles wearing down from constant contact. That's where Tino's Tree Service steps in. We trim trees to prevent slow, hidden damage before it turns into major repairs. Here's what we offer in and around Louisville: precise tree trimming to protect your roof and gutters, thinning and shaping to reduce weight and improve tree health, branch clearance from siding, chimneys, and windows, straightforward estimates, no pressure, just real advice. It's easy to put trimming off until water damage makes the decision for you. Call Tino's Tree Service at 502-321-9373 or visit tinostreeservice.com to get a no-obligation quote. Protect your roof, your gutters, and your home. Trim it now, before it turns into a repair bill.